Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows startup problems, automatic recovery loop and endless loading OS problems. Press the power button to turn on your PC, and when you see the small spinning circle of dots that indicates Windows is starting, press and hold the power button until your PC shuts down. After you've done it 3 times, start your computer again and let it run. It should now go into automatic repair mode. First method is click Advanced Options, click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Startup Repair. Second method is click Advanced Options, click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Startup Settings. Press F4 to enable safe mode. Click Start, Settings, click Apps. Select Install Date. Uninstall recently installed application. Click Restart your computer. Third method is click Advanced Options, click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Uninstall Updates. Uninstall latest quality updates. Continue to start Windows. Fourth method is click Advanced Options, Uninstall Updates, click Uninstall Latest Feature Update. Continue to start Windows. Fifth method is click Advanced Options, click Command Prompt. Type chkdsk space, /f space, /x space, /r space /c:. Exit and start Windows. Sixth method is click Advanced Options, System Restore. If any restore points available, click Next to continue. Seventh method is click Reset this PC. You can also select Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Select Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Click Reset. Installing Windows. Log in with your account. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.